What's up, guys? What's up, everybody? It's NC Maxima guy, back with another video. Alright, check me out. I am in the process of doing refreshing up another 6-speed manual transmission shift knob. Took it apart. Fairly simple to take apart. Basically, this one has a screw. The screw is like fixed in it, so it's a Phillips screw, this kind of screw here. So I took the screw out, we'll back the screw off, and then the cover will come off of here. So when I took the current material off, it's the black leather, vinyl, I think it's leather. Took this off. See the glue has some glue residue still on it. So I took the black leather off. It was worn out. Had a big hole in it. Cleaned the glue off the knob. I just use little sandpaper, fine grit sandpaper. I think I use, let's see. Yeah, you can use this kind of sandpaper, 320 fine, or you can use or I also use some wet sandpaper. You know, just depends on how much glue is on it. So now what I got to do, I already cleaned this one up. This one is good. So I have to basically wet sand this. Get all the old, get the shiny gloss coating off. So I have to wet sand that. And I have to wet sand this, you know, get the black shiny off so the new paint will stick. I did this one already. See how that's all. See versus this, it was like that, but I did this one already. Because you're only going to see this part. You're only going to see this part right here. So this one, I need to wet sand that one. And I already did this one. So you see how there's no silver. It's a little water. There's no silver on this face. You see how this one is? It has a silver in the paint. You know, the paint won't stick too good on that if you don't get that off. So I cleaned out the numbers really good. And what I use to clean out the numbers, I just use a thumbtack or anything fine. You can use an X-Acto blade in, or I prefer to use the thumbtack in. You just get into the numbers, clean out the numbers, you know, dirt and grime, and clean them out so when you put new paint on it, the paint will fill the numbers. The numbers ain't real good, and the letter R for the reverse. So got this one ready. Just gotta wipe it off with some alcohol or something to make sure there's no dirt or dust on it. And I can paint those. And I gotta redo this silver. But I'm working on couple shift knobs. I may record the process of how I get the vinyl. I use vinyl too. I'm not using leather. I think I may do one with black OEM leather, but I'm using vinyl.